be like, damn, you bad. He be like, you that bad. Ooh, 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 ooh. He be like, damn, you fine. He be like, damn, you big. He be like, damn, you bad. He be like, you that bad. Body smoking marijuana.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an actual wig video. Like, I know, right? I be doing wig videos, but y'all know what I mean. Like, me actually installing the wig on myself, like, shocking. Y'all was waiting for this, I know. Y'all kept on asking me to do it, y'all kept recommending me to do this, and I was like, I don't want to do that because I don't know how to do that anymore. Like, I haven't did it since quarantine. I don't know if I can do it, but right now my hairstylist is not available, and like, I need to do my hair because I don't let nobody else do my hair but my hairstylist. If they do it, it's because like I'm at like a yes, you guys, I'm gonna be installing my own wig today, and I'm really excited because I actually like bleached the hair. I wanted like this pure chocolate brown color, you guys will see, but yes, I actually got it without even using freaking dye. I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of me doing it real quick. It really was nothing much. It was actually really easy. Every strand of hair was nice and even, so I was really happy about that because that was the only thing I was actually scared about. So yeah, I didn't lose my coloring game too much. I already know I started off doing my own wigs and dyeing my own hair and bleaching my own knots and trying to pluck. So I have watched videos earlier on how to install, so I think I got it. It's not that I forgot, it's just that I want to be like really good to do it on my own, like, you know, like not just like decent. I wanted to like it's no lace basically, and hopefully today I could achieve that. But Reshine had actually sent me this wig. It's a deep wave 26-inch wig. It's a 13x6, so that means it goes from ear to ear and I can part it any way I want. I think I want to do a side part, but we're gonna see. It might be a deep side part, but I feel like with this wig I'm gonna want to do different styles. And like I said, I bleached the hair and the hair actually came out really good. I actually deep conditioned it, but look at the hair. Do y'all see this color, y'all? This is exactly what I wanted. I don't know if I can see the real true color, but that's what I wanted. I wanted exactly this, and this is 180 density. I literally only use two products, and they both from Clearasil. So the first one is the Colada colors, the blue bucket, or the blue whatever you want to call this, because they do have I don't even know what color that one is, but it's a different color, and this one is blue, so definitely get the blue one. And then I also use their clear developer, which I never used before. I just used it because the girl in the video used it, and this is the volume 10 gentle lift. I use these two together. That's literally all I use, and I know y'all excited for me to install this wig. I hope I do well because I need this wig literally for like my promo, my job basically. Y'all know I'm a YouTuber, I'm an influencer, and I'm a model, so I definitely need to keep up with the way I look. The wig is 95% dry, so I'm just gonna leave it right here, and we're gonna start off with the bald cap method. It's the inches for me. To start off, I'm going to be cutting around my ears because I don't want my wig cap to lift up, and that's the most important part with doing a bald cap method. The next thing I'm going to be doing is gluing down my wig cap, also, which is the most important part because you want to stay down while your wig is on. Next thing I'm going to be doing is adding the black tube Got2b for a first layer of glue for my wig cap, and then I'm going to be moving on to the second layer of glue, which is the freeze spray, because it's a better, harder hold, and it's going to keep it more secured than just the first layer. Now, I definitely feel like both of these Got2b glues work hand in hand because they both are just good at making the hold a lot more secure than just by itself. Next step, I'm going to be using my blow dryer on the hottest setting to help dry my wig cap a lot faster, so I can move on to the next step. After 5 minutes, now I'm moving on to cutting around the wig cap so I can get my hairline as precise as possible for my wig install. If you're following along with me, even though it's not a tutorial, I would suggest using smaller scissors because the scissors that I had were kind of hard to work with because they wasn't as sharp, and also they're a little bit too big to actually see what you're doing. Now, instead of makeup, I'm using the tint spray, which is my favorite thing to use. I really don't like using makeup or powders because I feel like it lifts up my wig cap. This one is actually from Even, New York. If you want to go buy it, it's at your local beauty supply store, hopefully. And this is a wig, chocolatey brown, and I do spray it on the wig lace as well. As you guys see me doing right now, I'm trying to make sure that my wig is even on both sides before cutting my ear tabs off, because once you cut them off, there's no going back. So always make sure that both sides are even as possible because you don't want it to be uneven. To glue down my wigs, I do use Bold Hold activewear, because I do sweat a lot, and I feel like for a good week hold, even almost to 2 weeks, this is one of the best glues to use. Like 3 hours ago. This is why I don't do my own hair. This is too much work. Like, I plucked it right here though because it was mad thick, and I was like, I plucked right here, but hopefully that won't show, you know, because I want to put it like this, so somehow, some way, hopefully the baby hairs do something. I was plucking with this tweezer that I got from Beast Price store. This thing was I think it was from Sally's. That thing was like $15. I was like, oh my gosh. As far as my baby hairs goes, I just use mousse. First, I just like put back the hair, like the flyaways, and then I use the mousse on the actual baby hairs. And I feel like it just gives it a nice soft hold. It's not too hard, and I just like the way it just lays down the baby hairs. I'm taking my hot comb so I can lay down the hair a little bit more with the mousse being added, because I feel like when I do add the mousse to the hair, it does lay down a lot flatter and it gets it really straight, and also so it can move back from the baby hair section so I can have a better control with styling my baby hairs rather than having all the hair in the front in my way. Alright y'all, so I think I got it good. I want extra baby hair, so that's what it's giving. I might fix it up like this one in the front. Anyways, I just used the Edge Booster Style Factor. This is basically a stronghold, like a sprint. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute, a little back ponytail. Alright, so I'm done on one side of my baby hairs. Yeah, some people might think it's too extra, but I like it like this, and I'm gonna keep it like this. Hopefully I can get the side to match this side. This side didn't really take that long, but like I kind of forgot what I did. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna come back when I got this other side done. Did I even tell y'all I freaking probably split my other nail literally like a whole hour ago, and it hurt so bad? Anyways guys, so I'm back. This is what I came up with. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna try to fix that, but I want to do a no part because I don't even know how to do parts anyway, so that's like, you know, helping me out, whatever. I'm going to put more mousse to mold it real quick. See these curls right here? You see this to this? Ozzy Miracle Curls Curl Refresher, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like, this is all I use for like all my curly wigs. It definitely it makes it look good, because I don't like the way mousse makes my curly wigs feel, unless like that's my last resort. Alright, yeah, what is it? Matter of fact, let me change my shirt because it's not giving with this shirt. So this is the final look, you guys. I am completely in love with the color, the curl pattern. The hair was so soft. It laid down so well. I love my baby hair. It's just everything overall was just a great look for me. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Y'all, let me know what it's giving because I did not expect me to really body like how I bodied. I'm loving the extra baby hair. You guys know I love extra baby hair, and I really wanted to try this type of baby hair, like the big, soft, dramatic baby hair. I don't know what to call it, but like it was giving, y'all. Then we got Diamond in the cut. Hey mama. She wanted to be on camera, like she wanted y'all to see her, of course. But yeah, we both got our hair done, so it was really giving. Like, mommy got her hair done, girl. What? She always messing up her hair, bro. But yeah, the hair dried, so like, you know, it's like a little bit shrunk now. Like I said, it's 26 inches, so it really goes a little bit down here. It's completely dried, so you know, yeah, it's really giving body, it's giving volume, it's giving it all. Diamond, do you like mommy hair? She said yes. I'm definitely giving it to the girls. Like, don't play with me. I'm getting cute later on because I'm going out, so me and Diamond are about to chill, whatever. I have class in like literally 2 hours. This has been a 2-day process. That's a problem. I just can't believe this is my work. Like, I'm gonna have a direct link to this hair and many other wigs that are similar to this wig as well if you guys are interested. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. 300K way or no way. I love you so much. Bye, pretties.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma